TANF programs want to improve services for families to help lift them out of poverty, but it's hard to tell what will actually work for them. Too often, those running programs simply don't have the time or the resources for evaluations or to sift through the existing research. But what if there was a way to use the data programs already collect to provide timely evidence about what works to improve services for families? There is, and it's called Rapid Cycle Evaluation. Meet Pam. She runs a TANF program in a mid-sized urban county and knows from experience that clients who attend orientation are more likely to enroll in the program and receive the help they need. But only half of eligible families are showing up for orientation. If she can increase attendance at orientation, she's more likely to improve the lives of families she spent her career trying to help. She's heard that simple nudges, like sending reminders, can encourage participation, and is curious if there's something similar she could do to get more people to attend the orientation and enroll in the program. First, Pam and her team spent a bit of time exploring why only half the people were going to orientation. They found the enrollment paperwork had become long and confusing, making it hard for clients to remember the important next step of coming to orientation. Could something as simple as providing appointment reminder cards make a difference? Even small changes like this come with high stakes. She could buy materials, train staff, and roll out her idea to the hundreds of people she serves each month. But what if the cards don't work? Pam can't afford to waste those resources and that time without actually improving orientation attendance. That's where Rapid Cycle Evaluation can help. She can quickly test her idea using data she already collects before rolling it out to the whole program. First, Pam designed a reminder card and piloted it by asking a few case managers to use it with a few clients and give her feedback on how it worked. Based on the feedback, they updated the design and included the address on the card. Then, they developed a detailed plan for further testing. A small, simple, low-cost intervention like a reminder card won't address all the reasons why clients struggle to make their orientation sessions. So she knew she needed to define success before going any further. She determined that improving orientation attendance by 10 percentage points was a meaningful improvement. An evaluation partner looked at previous research and told her this was a reasonable outcome. They knew what they wanted to do and how they would measure success, but how would they know if it was the cards making the difference? Randomly assigning some participants to receive the business-as-usual paperwork and some to get the reminder card allowed Pam to compare the orientation attendance rates between the groups and determine whether the new strategy was working. Pam and her evaluation partner looked at the number of clients enrolling in the program each week and determined it would take about 12 weeks to tell whether the strategy was paying off. Throughout the testing period, Pam talked with staff and clients to understand and document how the cards were working. After 12 weeks, they compared the average attendance rate of clients who received the new card with the average attendance rate of those who didn't, and found a difference of 8 percentage points, which didn't quite meet her benchmark. Based on feedback from staff and clients, Pam updated the design of the cards, added a phone number to reschedule orientation appointments, and retested the improved version. After the second test, Pam and her evaluation partner found a difference of 13 percentage points. The results exceeded her definition of success of 10 percentage points, and Pam decided to scale up the reminder card program-wide. Based on her current numbers, that 13 percentage point improvement in orientation attendance means Pam can expect about 150 more families each year to enroll in the program and start on their path to economic security. Not bad for a simple reminder. For a reminder about how Rapid Cycle Evaluation can help you plan a strategy that addresses the problem and is meaningful enough to plausibly have an effect, decide how you'll measure success, implement the strategy and monitor implementation, and review, revise, and use evidence to inform decision-making, visit our website at the link shown here.